Dear students, good morning to all. Hope you are fine. Today's our offline class is in continuation with the previous class, that is transgenic animals. Rather, the benefits of transgenic animals in agriculture and in industrial applications. Benefits of transgenic animals in agriculture. Number first, it is breeding. Farmers have always used selective breeding to produce animals that exhibit desired traits. For example, increased milk production, high growth rate. Traditional breeding is a time consuming, difficult task. When technology using molecular biology was developed, it became possible to develop traits in animals in a shorter time and with more precision. In addition, it offers the farmer an easy way to increase yields. Number second, quality. Transgenic cows exist that produce more milk or milk with less lactose or cholesterol. Pigs and cattle that have more meat on them, and sheep that grow more wool. In the past, farmers used growth hormones to spur the development of animals, but this technique was problematic, especially since residue of the hormones remained in the animal product. Now, third is disease resistance. Scientists are attempting to produce disease resistant animals such as influenza resistant pigs, but a very limited number of genes are currently known to be responsible for resistance to diseases in farm animals. Now, the industrial applications. In 2001, two scientists at Nexia Biotechnologies in Canada spliced spider genes into the cells of lactating goats. The goats began to manufacture silk along with their milk and secrete tiny silk strands from their body by the bucketful. By extracting polymer strands from the milk and weaving into threads weaving them into thread, the scientists can create a light, tough, flexible material that could be used in such applications as military uniforms, medical microsutures, and tense rocket syringes. Toxicity sensitive transgenic animals have been produced for chemical safety testing. Microorganisms have been engineered to produce a wide variety of proteins, which in turn can produce enzymes that can speed up industrial chemical reactions. Other applications of biotechnology to improve renewable fuel production. Enhanced or engineered microorganisms for fermentation of ethanol, butanol, other fuels. Engineered microorganisms are plants to manufacture enzymes used in fuel production, improved algal strains for biofuel production, selected or engineered plant species with favorable traits for use as improved biofuel feedstocks. Bioremediation. Bioremediation is the use of microorganism metabolism to remove pollutants. Technologies can be generally classified as in situ or ex situ. In situ bioremediation involves treating the contaminated material at the site, while as ex situ involves removal of the contaminated material to be treated elsewhere. Pseudomonas putida or superbugs was developed by A.M. Chakravorty and is used for clearing oil spills. This was about today's offline class. Thanks.